Hey guys, it's Rob Harrell at MarineMax in Charleston. Today we're looking at a brand new model from Scout. This is a 2027 Scout 188 Sportfish. It is in also their newest color, Alpine Gray, which is beautiful. Great looking boat all the way around. You can see they even have markers in the rub rails. You have recessed cleats. All your cup holders, rod holders, everything on the boat's going to be plumbed. Nice fiberglass molded rod holders in the back, take cues from big boats. This is powered by a 115. Let's get on board and check her out. Now that we're on board the 188, as you can see, I have plenty of room back here. It is true self-bailing. We do have port and starboard rod holders, nice bimini top for lots of coverage, great rear seating. You have your live well back here. You have a cooler area stored back here. The captain's seat set up, you can fish right off the back. It's reversible. You turn it around. We have a nice size Garmin, which is from the factory, which is really nice now. A lockable glove box with power, so you can charge your phones. Dometic trim tab system. A compass. You do have a drop locking bar mechanism to slide into garages. The windshield comes off with some quick disconnects as well. As you can see in the bow, we have a huge chase lounge. I'm 6 foot tall, plenty of room in this boat. This is some fish box as well. Anchor locker in the bow as well. If you would like to see this boat, you can see us at MarineMax.com Charleston. You can reach us at 843-747-1889. Let's get on the water.